feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
To activate your Real ID on Blizzard, log into your Battle.net account and navigate to Account Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Privacy and Communication and find the Real ID section. Here, you'll see an option to enable Real ID. By enabling it, you agree to share your real name with friends and friends of friends. Remember, for safety and privacy, ensure you're comfortable sharing your real name before activating Real ID.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.